Do you have a passion for dogs? And in turn, do you want to start a business that revolves around dogs? If your answer was yes, then this is the perfect course for you. Hi, my name is Tatiana Ambrose, and in this course, I've partnered with Alex Ganadinik, and together we are going to show you how to successfully start your dog business from home using Rover. Now, when I started on Rover, I simply made an account and I just let it sit. Months and months went by, nothing happened. And that's when I started to ask questions, to research, to test different elements of my profile out to see what works and what doesn't work. And then end of January, I got my first client. Then I got my second client. Then I got my third client. And in 6 months, I have made over $2,300 from 8 clients. So I am here to tell you that yes, you too can start a successful dog business from home using Rover. In this course, I am going to dive into how to set up your Rover account, the different elements of your profile that are either going to make it or break it when it comes to a client in your area hiring you. Then we're going to look at different strategies that you can apply today to your profile to get your dog business off the ground. And then add on to that by showing you how to successfully promote your business online and locally in your area. This course covers it all. From the if you have a Rover account and it's just not taking off to you have no clue what Rover even is. So if you're ready, go ahead, click the enroll button. Alex and I cannot wait to get started with you.